Hunter Student Commons, right in the center of campus, really provides support for our students from all of the different faculties.
So the Hunter Student Commons is a 4-floor building that has a Hunter Hub home at the top floor with 20,000 square feet of co-working and event space and an innovation sandbox where startups can work.
Students need this space because we not only learn in the classroom, but we also learn by sitting around and talking and having conversations, both with students and also students with some faculty members. So it's a huge open space that's fantastic for learning.
The Hunter Hub in the Hunter Student Commons is a space for everybody. It's meant to be the central innovation space for the University of Calgary, so innovators can come and work here. We're really looking to make this a very active, fun hub for innovation at the University of Calgary.
This is also going to be home to the new Registrar's space, and that is fantastic because that office plays a critical role for students in how they get on campus, how they figure out what their courses are, how they get advice from the Registrar's group. And so to have them in this building and much more visible is terrific.
One of the goals of the Hunter Hub obviously is to impart an entrepreneurial mindset across the campus, but another is to attract students from multiple faculties, multiple areas to this space to meet one another, to take advantage of events and programming of the Hunter Hub, and then to also take advantage of spaces like the new Innovation Sandbox space, where there are opportunities for early stage companies created by our students, created by our staff and faculty, to use those spaces and to begin to percolate their ideas. And I believe in the importance of place for convergence of people and ideas, and I think this place is going to be that inspiring place to come.
It's a pretty amazing time to be in innovation at the University of Calgary. There's so much happening, there's a lot of momentum and a lot to be proud of. I think this space will make that manifest. It'll be even easier to see all the success that's happening at the University of Calgary, to meet those innovators we hear about on social media and in newsletters, and to make relationships between them. So it'll be really a game changer in building and amplifying the innovation community at the university.
Thank you to the Government of Alberta for making this redevelopment possible. And a very special thank you to the Hunter family for enabling this vision to come to a reality, where our students, faculty, and staff can come together to explore the incredible possibilities of innovation and how we can impact the world.